Good morning. I'm Roger Duffy with MarineMax Sailandski. I hope you enjoy this walkthrough tour that we're about to do on this magnificent Beneteau GT40 Gran Turismo. One of the things that I like most about this boat is in operation right now. It's the hydraulic swim platform. It can go all the way down in the water and then come all the way back up. It'll hold about 400 pounds. As we walk onto the boat, one of the first things I noticed is the cockpit grill. It's great for preparing food on board the boat without taking up space in the cockpit. As we walk into the cockpit, when we were looking for boats in the 40 to 50 foot range that were great for Lake Travis and the Central Texas inland lakes, we were looking for something that had a lot of cockpit seating, right, Si?
We were, and one that you can get on off the boat wet and not have to worry about anything else as far as surfaces that you were concerned about.
Right. This upholstery is made to be able to be wet, but it's not vinyl, so it doesn't have a sticky feel. Another thing that I love about this boat is the size of this table. We've never had a boat that has this big a table, so it can be a great snack center, food, drinks, and then if you don't need it quite so large, you can fold it and spin it and it can become half the size, but I like leaving it as a big table most of the time. Another great thing about this boat is that instead of being fully enclosed like what the trend has been in a lot of the boats from the US makers, this boat's made in France, but instead of being fully enclosed, this boat has a great indoor and outdoor feel. With the sunroof up here and these side windows, the boat can feel open, and then at the touch of a couple of buttons, we can enclose it and fully air condition the cockpit. I was out the other day in 102 degrees, and with the back canvas up and everything closed and the air conditioning on, it was in the mid 80s in here. So it's pretty amazing. You want to come up and see the dash? Unique to the GT40 is that the helm is centered on the boat. That gives great visibility on both sides, and it gives the passengers ease of moving around in the boat without disturbing the captain. You've got air conditioning vents here. You've got air conditioning vents built into the dash, and then there are some farther back in the cockpit. We've got this boat with the Garmin chart plotter depth finder combo, and then it's got a lot of other functionality as well. And this boat's got Volvo diesel engines with stern drives and joystick steering, so even getting out of this very tight slip is a breeze. The cockpit on this boat literally has two completely different feels, depending on whether you have the side windows and the skylight open or closed. Right now, we're closing it to be able to fully air condition, but with it open, you have a true open air feel. It's amazing. As we enter into the cabin, we see the dinette. The galley's to starboard, and you have a nice mirror on the bulkhead. The galley has plenty of counter space, a sink, 2-burner stove, refrigerator, and microwave. Looking into the guest stateroom, you can see 2 twin beds with plenty of storage on the side and good lighting. There's a door for privacy. Opening into the head, we see it's very stylish. Notice the bowl sink, full shower, and toilet. Panning the salon area, we see a lot of natural light. Walking into the forward stateroom, we see large windows, port and starboard, that make this a very well lit area. It's fun to be in. Thanks for joining us today. I hope it's been informative. If you need any information on this boat or any others, please contact me or any of the other associates here at our 3 locations, Austin, San Antonio, and Lakeway. See you on the water.